Hey streamers! In this video, we're diving into the live shopping demo that comes with the free Hello WpStream theme. If you've already seen our last video, you know what plugins you need like Elementor, WooCommerce, and a few others. Now we're showing you exactly what you get out of the box when you install the live shopping demo. So as I'm showing you here, a few sections that we've added like the video players, live stream players, and a few products. I'm also showing you this section right here, showing you a type of schedule, showing you who's live streaming when and things like that. And I'm also showing you this Our Fashionistas section where we've added different fashionistas or influencers that are going live on this website and selling either merch or things that they have bought with their own money or things that have been sent to them. We've also had the live shopping section, and here we've included videos, past videos of live streams and shop dresses. For example, this Mia 2-piece sweater right here added with WooCommerce. This is how it looks like. We've modified this section so that the product looks exactly how we want it to look. We've added a few images and a description, and you can also purchase it from here. So there's an add to cart button. You can see how many people have viewed this, leave a comment, like, and even share this product with your friends, family, and colleagues. So this is how a WooCommerce product looks like. And once we go to the checkout page, we've also customized this checkout page as well to fit WooCommerce products, whether they're a live stream, a video on demand, or regular products. Now, this is how our live stream page looks like. So this is how your page where you're going to be streaming from, or from your or the influencers that will be streaming from, will look like. You can also add a chat if we want, and we do this via the customize section, but we're going to be adding another video on that soon. We can also add this video or live stream to our watch later list, and in the description we can also add links to the videos with pictures. Links to the products with pictures that you can go to purchase while watching the live stream. Here we've added a featured streamers section. So for example, the streamer of the month, and we've added some text. We've also added behind the streams, featured creators. So these are slides type of products or live streams or videos that you can scroll through. Same thing with top videos from streamers. So these are all the most popular videos that you can scroll through. In the video section, we've added Shireen's picks. We've added a video right over here, and you can also go to watch now and chat during the video or during the live stream, depending on what you have. We've also added a few products with WooCommerce. And here's a featured video. So this is the featured video that you want everyone to see when they come on this page, something that is highlighted. And you can also discover more content. And we have this section right here where you can filter through the item type. So for example, whether it's a product, a free event, a category, scroll through different actors and even different categories like fashion, dresses, hauls, stuff like that. And there's also a newest, oldest, first, low to high prices, things like that. So you can customize this section as well. And we will also be adding another video. Now, for the most exciting part, regular influencers or users can also live stream on your website, and you can enable or disable this, and you can also allow them to sell their live streams on your website. So I'm creating right over here a channel, and you can also enable this if you wanted to be paid as a regular streamer and add the price as well. Or you can disable this if you just want a regular live stream. But yeah, you can also disable the pricing or the ability for the streamer to price their live streams from the customize section, which we will be showing you later. And that's how you create a channel to go live from. Now I'm going back and showing you the tops and blouses section, and I've also added a video here, and you'll find a few WooCommerce products over here that your viewers can purchase while they're watching. Same with the bottoms. And usually the way that this works is while the person is streaming, so while the influencer is streaming, viewers can watch the live stream and also purchase what products are being shown in the video or in the live stream. And this is very popular nowadays. It has been for a while, and if you don't have this on your e-commerce website, you're missing out on a lot of profit. It's super popular and everyone's doing this, whether it's on Facebook, on TikTok, on YouTube, everyone's doing this. And if you have an e-commerce site, it would be a great idea to start doing this as well now. And we've also gone ahead and done like a whole shop page where we've added each category, tops and blouses, bottoms, shoes, stuff like that. And basically that is our live shopping demo. In another video, we will talk about the customize section and how to edit all of this with Elementor. So please stay tuned. Thanks for watching and hope to welcome you soon with another video. Bye.